Welcome to Explore the World and Education channel. Dear my students, today we are going to study about Science Short Note, Grade 6, Lesson 2, Things Around Us. Actually, this lesson is going to be very useful for the students who are at Grade 6. So, let's start. 1. Air has a mass. Number 2. Air occupies space. Number 3. The amount of matter in an object is referred to as the mass of the object. Number 4. Kilograms, grams, milligrams are some units used to measure mass. If I repeat that, kilograms inside the bracket kg short form, grams inside the bracket g simple g, milligrams inside the bracket simple m and g are some units used to measure the mass. Number 5. The international unit of measuring the mass is kilograms. You understand? If I repeat that, number 5, the international unit of measuring the mass is kilograms. So, if you going to buy something from a shop, maybe sugar or something, so the seller is going to give you that is by using the kilograms. Understand? You get 2 kilo, 1 kilo, 5 kilos sugar like that. Let's go to the next. Number 6. The things around us can be categorized as things with a mass and occupy space. Example: pens, as you can see in the picture, apples, water, books. Next one: things without a mass and do not occupy space. Example, as you can see the picture, light, heat, sound. What do you mean by this one? Things without a mass and do not occupy space, which means do not occupy space. It's not taking any space from around us. So as you can see the picture, if we turn on light, we get the brightness, we get the light. If at night, if we turn on light, we get the light, we can see it. Understand? So but it doesn't take any space, not occupy space. Just like that, heat is the same thing, sound is the same. Okay, next. 7. Things with a mass and occupy space are known as matter. Things without a mass and do not occupy space are known as energy, as we discussed earlier. Light, heat, just like that. 9. The things around us can be categorized as matter, energy. Next. 10th. States of matter. Firewood is a matter in solid state. Kerosene is a matter in liquid state. As you can see in the picture, firewood is a matter in solid state. It's a solid, something rough. Kerosene is a matter in liquid state. It's the liquid. Understand? Next. LP gas is a matter in gaseous state. As you can see in the picture, we use it for cooking. 11. The states of matter are solid, liquid and gas. 12th. Some example of solids. As you can see in the picture, stones, bricks, bat. Next. 13. Characteristics of solids. A solid has a definite shape. A solid has a definite volume. Number 14. Some example of liquid: coconut oil, milk, water, as you can see in the picture. 15. Characteristics of liquids. A liquid has a definite volume, not definite shape. As you can see this video, water takes the shape of the container. So you can see the picture there. Water takes the shape of container. See, as you can see the picture, water takes the shape of the container. As you want to pour some water into different shapes, it takes a different shapes. Different amount of water, then it takes a different shapes. Understand? Water takes the shape of the container. Right. Next. 16. Some example of gases: oxygen, carbon dioxide, water vapor. As you can see below the picture, a balloon containing gas, water vapor, an oxygen tank containing oxygen. 17. Characteristics of gas: not definite shape, no definite volume. Next. 17. Specific properties of solid matter. So as you can see in the picture, physical properties of solids: it is hardness, meaning the property of resistance to scratch, abrasion and cutting is known as hardness. Hardness differs depending on material. Example: diamond, iron. Inside the bracket, materials with the high hardness. As you can see in the picture, diamond, iron, those are the things. Next. Physical properties of solids: malleability, meaning the ability of a metal to be drawn into thin sheet without breaking by hammering or rolling is known as a malleability. Example: copper, iron. Metals, as you can see in the picture, copper and iron. Physical properties of solids: ductility, meaning the ability of a metal to be drawn into thin wires without breaking is called ductility. Example: copper, aluminium, gold. Inside the bracket, metals. As you can see in the picture, gold, copper, aluminium. Next. Physical properties of solids: elastic nature, meaning the property of increasing the length of a material by a force of stretch. As you can see in the picture, normally you know that. Example: rubber, elastic. Next. My dear student, physical properties of solids: brightness, meaning tendency of a material to break under small force. Example: glass, coal. What happens if you touch a glass? As you can see, it is going to be broken under small force. Coal is the same. Next. Physical properties of solids: texture, meaning feel of the surface, rough or smooth. Example: baby talk, cotton, smooth, sandpaper, rough, as you can see in the picture, cotton, sandpaper, baby talk. 18th, application of solids, diamond, used to make jewelry, as you can see in the picture, as you all like them, right? Next, copper. As you can see in the picture, most copper is used in electrical equipment such as wiring and motor, etc. Iron, used to make buildings, home appliances, constructions, magnets, cutting tools, bicycle chains, electricity pylons. As you can see in the picture. Next, aluminium. Aluminium is used in a huge variety of products including cans, foils, kitchen utensils, window frames, beer kegs and aeroplanes parts. This is because of its particular properties, as you can see in the picture. So you can find some of them in your home itself. Gold, used to make jewelry, coins, etc. As you can see in the picture. Rubber, used to make medical devices, surgical gloves, aircraft and car tires, fascicles, clothes, toys, etc. As you can see in the picture. Elastic, elastic is used in clothing as well, mostly for fitting reasons. Glass, used to make mirror, window, pans, cup, bowl, etc. as you can see in the picture. Coal, electricity generation, power generation is the primary use for coal worldwide. You understand? This is very useful. Coal, electricity generation, power generation is the primary use for coal worldwide. Cotton, in addition to textile products like underwear, socks and t-shirts, cotton is also used in fishnets, coffee filters, tents, book binding and actual paper, as you can see in the picture. Sandpaper, used to sharpen dull scissors, remove peels from upholstery and clothing, remove rust from tools, as you can see in the picture. Baby talc, these powders are often used to prevent or treat diaper rash around infants' bottoms and genital areas. For third lesson, water as a natural resource. Support our channel, like, comment and subscribe. My dear students, so as you can see, if you get kind of knowledge of this is going to be very useful for your grade 6 education about science, and go through this channel and get update next video, and continuously listen to this short note. Then you will update when you frequently listen those short notes, so it is going to be keep in your mind. Thank you. Please subscribe our channel for the next video.